Welcome back to our kitchen. Today is all about stacking success. From breakfast joy to thriving business. Today I'm going to share with you a pancake recipe that my family is addicted to and customers love. To nail this, we need cassava flour, yellow bananas, baking soda and vegetable cooking oil. Peel the bananas as you place them in a clean container. Next, we are going to mash our bananas. You can either use a masher or you can use a fork just like me in case you don't have one. When they have been finely mashed, we then add a teaspoon of baking soda into the mash. That is about half a tablespoon. We then mix cassava flour into the mash as we monitor the consistency. When it has been well mixed and it is no longer sticky, pour in some vegetable cooking oil. On a clean flat surface, roll out the dough and using a small round cup or any tin or cover, you can then cut the shapes out of the rolled out dough. Pour vegetable cooking oil in a clean saucepan and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And when it is ready, we then place in our pancakes. Keep turning them until they turn brown. You can then remove them using a fork and they are ready to serve. Try this out at home and let me know. And in case you have any questions, I'm ready to respond to you through comment section. The most legit pancake that you'll ever taste. Hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on the nice recipes.